Hi, I'm Andreas. I've generated thousands of dollars actively publishing and selling my books. And I want to start this by admitting something most KDP experts won't say out loud. I got tired of promoting my own books. Not writing them, but promoting them. Because writing is creative. Marketing is draining. Nobody likes it. And I remember one specific moment. I had just published a book I was proud of. Great cover, great topic, optimized description. I hit publish and waited. A few sales trickled in, then it flatlined. And there I was, refreshing my KDP dashboard like that would somehow change the outcome. That's when it hit me. Writing the book isn't the hard part anymore. Visibility is. Amazon doesn't reward the best written book. It rewards the most visible one. The algorithm cares about traffic, clicks, external signals. If nobody is talking about your book outside of Amazon, Amazon doesn't push it inside of Amazon. That's how it works. And that's where most authors get stuck. You either post manually every day, try to learn paid ads, hire an expensive agency, or slowly watch your book disappear. I tried all of it. Manually posting took hours. Ads got money. Generic AI tools still required copy, paste, and design work. Scheduling tools didn't create anything. They just queued what I manually had to create. I felt like I created a job for myself, and not a good one. I became an author for freedom, not to spend every night creating social media posts. So I asked myself a simple question. What if my books could promote themselves? That would be great, right? Not partially, not with complicated automations, but completely. Upload once, set up once, and just let it run. That idea became the AI Sales Rocket you'll hear here today. This is what we've built. AI Sales Rocket is a marketing engine specifically for Amazon KDP authors. Not influencers, not e-commerce stores, authors. This is how it works. So you come into your dashboard, you upload your book manuscript. It can be a doc, a PDF, or an EPUB file, whichever one of those works. And the system then goes ahead and reads your book. It understands your tone, the topic of the book, and your audience. And with one click, it's going to generate social media posts, captions, promotional messages, articles, and platform-optimized images, all written based on your actual book. No generic fluff. Then you connect your accounts once. This is how it looks like. You just go in here and connect every single one of your social media accounts. I recommend maybe even creating a brand new account just for this project, all right? And then once you've connected it, you can publish daily to all of these platforms. Every post links directly back to your Amazon listing. Every post drives visibility. Every post builds external signals, and it just keeps running while you write the next book, while you sleep, while you live your life. The entire setup takes under 10 minutes. That was important to me because I didn't want another complicated system. I wanted simple. Upload, generate, connect, done. Okay? Authors who earn consistently aren't always the better writers. They're just consistently visible. AI Sales Rocket gives you that consistency without the grind. Because this is our launch, I wanted to stack serious value behind this. You're getting the full platform plus 4 fast action bonuses. A bestseller book cover generator so you can instantly create pro-level covers for your books and mock-ups. A multilingual expansion engine that turns your book into a global asset in 20+ languages. A one-click Amazon keyword tool, see exactly what buyers are searching for, and a 10-minute quick start guide in PDF format so you can get up and running immediately. Now let's talk honestly about pricing. If I package this as a software as a service, it would easily be $297 per year. If you hire a marketing agency to do this, you'd spend more in 1 month than most KDP authors make in an entire year. But for this launch, it's only $17.97. One time, no monthly fees. I wanted this accessible for real authors, not just marketers with big budgets. Because I built this out of my own frustration. I didn't build this to sell software. I built this because I was tired of manually promoting books. And now my catalog promotes itself. Imagine 6 months from now, instead of refreshing your dashboard, praying for sales, you're seeing consistent daily traffic. Instead of scrambling for content ideas, you're writing your next book. Instead of wondering why nothing is happening, you have momentum. You already did the hard part. You wrote the book. Let the system handle the visibility. Scroll down right now, lock in the $17.97 launch pricing before the next price increase. turn your prized book into a 24/7 automated sales machine. I'll see you inside.